If your Instagram account has been hijacked, don't panic. Here's how to reclaim your digital space and lock it down tight. First, head to the Instagram login page if you're already logged in. Log out, look for the forgot password link and tap on it. This is your first step to regaining access. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your email address, phone number, or username that's associated with your compromised account. Tap Send Login Link to receive a special email from Instagram. Now check your inbox for that email. It might take a minute or two. And don't forget to look in your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the provided link to reset your password. This link will take you to a secure page where you can set a brand new password. Make sure it's strong and unique. Submitting complex using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols will offer the best protection. Once you've successfully reset your password, log back into your account. Immediately navigate to your profile settings. Look for and tap on the security option. Within the security settings, find and select two-factor authentication. This is a crucial step to prevent future unauthorized access. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up two-factor authentication. You can choose to receive a code via text message to your phone number or use an authentication app. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code each time you log in from a new device. After enabling two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to review your login activity. This section shows where and when your account has been accessed. If you see any suspicious logins, make sure to log them out. By following these steps, you've not only recovered your compromised Instagram account, but also armed it with robust security measures, protecting your personal information and ensuring peace of mind.